In this video, I'll show you guys how you can start using a green screen in Davinci Resolve 16. So I just started off by opening and importing two different clips. Now one of them is a normal clip and the other one is the green screen clip. So you want to make sure to open the green screen clip and add it above your normal video, just like this. Now next up, click on color right there and then right click somewhere in this section over here where you can then click on add alpha output. You will then see this blue square. You want to click and hold that and then drag this over here to that blue circle, just like that. You can then release it and click on this icon right here, which is the second. So click here, make sure you select this one, and you can then click on your green screen background, and that should actually let the green screen background disappear. Let's see if I actually did that right, which I'll find out soon. Now you also want to click on this invert icon right here, and then it will actually work. Now sometimes it can still look quite bad. I'll see how this looks this time. Let me just, there you go. So you can see a little green glow around it. So you want to click on the in/out ratio, and then drag this all the way over to -100. And then you can also use the blur radius and drag that over to the right to make it look way better. And there you go. So right now, if I just play this clip, you can see that it actually looks pretty decent and it removed the green screen. And there it is. So that's how you can do this. If this quick video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.